Call it a double whammy, contracting both the flu and COVID at the same time. It's not as unlikely as you might think. We are in the peak of the flu season, and of course, Omicron is leading the latest COVID surge. We're also seeing more cases as people return to socializing.
It's very reasonable to think that we're going to start seeing lots of these co-infections.
Experts have long warned of a possible twindemic. It's not widespread at this point, but there have been confirmed flurona cases world and nationwide, although none locally. Israel reported its first case of flurona in an unvaccinated pregnant woman, and a child in Los Angeles tested positive for both. But the number of cases may be underreported for one simple reason.
They're not getting the flu tested at the same time.
They are both respiratory infections with many similar symptoms like body aches, cough, and fever. So is it more dangerous or severe when you've got flurona? It's possible.
I would anticipate a double viral syndrome is going to obviously be worse than having one over the other. It depends on your, health profile. If you have underlying history of asthma, COPD, those things, you're already at a disadvantage.
To reduce your risk for COVID and flu, follow the advice of public health experts, like avoiding large events, social distance, wash your hands often, wear a mask, and cover your mouth and nose. Right now, there's not enough data, and it's unclear how sick people will get from flurona. Doctors will first treat whichever symptoms that are more severe, but the best defense is still to get vaccinated for both, which you can even do at the same time.
So important to get vaccinated for both, because at least your immune system can be ready. God forbid you get both or one or the other.
And according to the CDC, flu activity peaks between December and February, so we are in the thick of it right now, but we can also see a lot of flu activity as late as May. And so these doctors, they are going to assume that we will be seeing more and more flurona cases as well.